What do you think? You will
Mm.
get a same state
My because my
job in
cousins are
Mumbai.
working in Karnataka only. Some part of Andhra Pradesh they got.
That's
Recording
that's
in
ah,
progress.
that's fine. That's fine. Karnataka or the part of South India. You're from
Mm.
specifically. You're from Karnataka, so you might get a job in or the branches in the South India, southern part of India. You might get that, but not sure. Again, not sure.
Mhm.
But as per the business point of views, if I'll think, then definitely you would get a job in branches in Karnataka or nearby Karnataka states or cities. But again,
Mhm.
not sure, right? So I'm just telling you,
Yeah.
or just suggesting you to keep in mind like that, like you can get any posting, any city as a posting, any city in branch, right? Okay.
Oh,
Number
okay.
two,
Before joining this, we will get to know which city, which state we are
Hitashni,
going to
what
post.
question is this? What question is this? Because you will get a posting after 4 months of training. After four
Okay.
months of training, you will get even HR of the Axis Bank don't know about this. What branch you are going to get after 4 months of training? So it
Okay.
depends on
If
the
there any openings
availability.
are there in Karnataka,
There is, yes. Yes, we have lots of
then
opportunity for
probably I will
Karnataka.
get.
Probably again, that's probability, right? That's probability. You're not sure. Probability isn't 50%. I can say 50%. I cannot say more
I
than that,
can get.
50%. You can get or you will get difference, na? You can get or you will get. I'm not sure. But I really wish
Okay.
you get that. Huh? Second point is, do you know Hitashni, what is the role of this program? I mean this opportunity, the role and responsibility? Not clear? Not clear?
I'm not clear.
ठीक है थोड़ा सा जय मैं अनम्यूट कर रहा हूँ तुम्हें जय
हाँ सर.
तो बताओ यार जय कहाँ से हो तुम
मैं सर आबू रोड राजस्थान.
राजस्थान से स्पीक इन इंग्लिश यार जय स्पीक इन इंग्लिश ठीक है
Yes, yes. Okay, okay. No issue.
तो व्हाट्स योर जॉब रोल लाइक डिड यू वर्क समवेयर
Yeah, sir. I work as an accountant in a CA firm.
accountant in a CA firm okay
Yes,
and
sir.
how long you worked there
Sir, approximate, sir, 6 to 7 months.
6 to 7 months
Yes, sir.
6 to 7 months are you eligible for this program
Yeah, sir. I have completed PG.
you completed PG okay
Yes,
because
sir.
something got changed right some this our eligibility criteria got changed. So
I
some of
completed PG. That,
mm, okay, okay. ठीक है. So Jay, one more thing here. I'm not sure like you are eligible or for this program or not because right now eligibility criteria got changed. Correct. So
sir,
for
sir,
that,
I got the assessment link and I have assessment tomorrow.
when did you get that
Sir,
assessment link?
sir, today only.
Today only you got that, huh? But you
Yes, sir.
applied. When did you apply for this program? When did you apply?
Sir,
A
three
month or
to
two
four.
months back.
No, no, sir. Just before, sir. Before the 5 6 days before.
5 6 days back, you applied for this program.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. ठीक है just connect with your counselor once right because as per the
Okay.
new rules as per the new eligibility criteria the experience what required doesn't matter you are PG or undergraduate 1 year of minimum 1 year of experience is required minimum one
Oh,
year or you worked as a accountant that would
yeah.
fine your job role is fine we can accept that but again your this
six
experience
months.
number of experience
Yeah.
is
Yeah.
somehow can be a problem okay so you need to check so Jay 5 6 days back you have filled the form and today only you got a assessment link
Yeah, sir.
so did you do any research about that about this role about this job
Yeah, sir. For CBG, it's act like as a commercial banking group where we need to connect with the big people like HNIs and all, and to make the relationship with them and making connection with them and solving their banking problem if they any face.
ठीक है got it ठीक है Jay so your total experience of 7 months around है ना
Yeah, sir. 6 to 7 months. 6 months, sir. 6 months.
ठीक है
Okay.
and all right and Hitashni you're not from any sales background right no ठीक है just give me a moment guys just give me a moment I'll just be there in 1 minute All right, guys. Hi. Uh, please switch on your videos. Everyone, switch on your videos. Everyone, switch on your videos, guys. Please. So, Jay, so for the moment, you are eligible for this program. Okay. I just checked. That's why I just wait for the for just getting checked. So you are eligible. At the moment, you are eligible, right? So ये जो ये हमारे changes हुए हैं, ये अभी applicable नहीं हो रहे हैं. ये बहुत जल्दी applicable होंगे because हमारे पास कोई ऐसा confirmation in written नहीं है इसलिए. So So please everyone switch on your videos and I really don't know यार आप लोग बैंकर कैसे बनोगे क्योंकि आप लोग लेट हो ऑलरेडी. क्यों लेट हो यार मुझे नहीं पता यार. कशिश गुप्ता वाई और लेट. 5 बजे का सेशन है आपको नहीं पता था. आपको मैं अनम्यूट करने का परमिशन दे दिया. अनम्यूट करिए प्लीज. अनम्यूट करो. कशिश अनम्यूट करो दोस्त अपने आप को. कशिश अनम्यूट नहीं कर पा रहे हो क्या? परमिशन दिया मैंने. अनम्यूट करो.
Hi, sir. Am I audible?
यस यू आर ऑडिबल. यस
Hi,
यस.
good evening, sir. Sorry, sir. Actually, I just got a call back just 10 minutes ago.
व्हाई
Like,
व्हाई
uh,
राइट नाउ यू गॉट अ कॉल बिकॉज़ you were not available on the mail. You have not checked your mail.
sir, I haven't got anything on mail as well.
You have received a mail. I can bet on this. You have received a mail. Please check your mail, yaar, Kashish. Because all the people who are actually eligible for this particular session, they have received the mail yesterday itself. Anyways, please be active on your mail. Huh? Okay. So, Kashish, just tell me about the role and responsibility. What you are going to be a part of this opportunity?
Yes, sir. So basically, sir, the role and responsibilities would be the commercial banking group. Will be dealing with the B2B. Basically, it's a B2B, like dealing with the SMEs, small business enterprises or medium enterprises. Basically, dealing with the portfolio between. I mean, I would say it would be 1 crore in between to 50 crores. So basically, our main job is to get the business for the bank. Basically, convert basically deal with the clients, pitch them our products, and get the sales done. So,
Okay. So, Surya, acha, have not received assessment test link yet. अच्छा मतलब I just got a message from Surya that you have not received any mail. ठीक है, that's fine, that's fine. So Kashish, when did you like did you get you have not received any assessment link and all, right? Have you done conversation with Surya, your counselor, Surya, the coordinator? Don't unmute yourself, yeah. Don't mute yourself. Again, I'm giving the permission. Please unmute yourself. Come on.
yes, sir. So, sir, I haven't got any. Basically, I haven't got any
When
mail.
did you
For
apply
the,
for this program? When did you apply for this
I have
opportunity?
applied for the yesterday itself, sir.
अच्छा yesterday itself. ठीक है
Yes, sir.
done done. That's fine. What is your role? Are you working somewhere right now?
Yes, sir. Currently working in Blinkit as an assistant store manager.
As a
Assistant store manager, sir.
assistant store manager.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what is your role over there? What is your profile?
So basically, it's a major operations role. So I will basically our major role and responsibility is to looking after the KPIs, the targets that is given by the company, handling the riders as well as the in-store staff as well, preparing, scheduling a roster, basically putting them into the shifts, then tracking their performances through the dashboard or the Excel that is given by the company. Then checking, basically looking after the inventory shrinkages, damages, controlling them. Then basically the target that is given by the company, like a sales target. So basically it's not a hardcore sales. Basically just need to make our matrices in such a way, basically make our matrices in such a way like our bare minimum delivery time, or if the picker and packing would be done effectively, so automatically the orders will get more and the sales will be done. So that is the basic roles and responsibilities there.
Got it. So, Kashish, like it would be a great, it would be huge transition as you will be moving from one core operation role to sales role or the branch or the banking role. How
Yes,
it
sir.
will be, how you will be going to manage it.
Sir, basically, as I have completed my graduation in hospitality management, so my major, my major I would say my strength is basically dealing with the customers, or basically, I would say communication skills or dealing with the customers. Like basically I used to be in McDonald's or Domino's first, so most of the things were dealing with the customers.
So,
So
like, I just want to know, have you done your research that this would be a core sales role? Do you know
yes,
that?
yes. My friend is in a bank. He's also a relationship manager. So yes, sir.
Then you must know. If your friend is working as a relationship manager, then relationship manager, the roles and responsibility, they have to do sales, 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 sales. That's for sure.
Yes,
So
sir.
the people who are from non-tech, the people, sorry, non-tech, non-sales, the people who are from non-sales background, let me tell you guys, the banking role doesn't matter. You are working or joining as a relationship manager or service manager or operations manager or branch manager. You have to do sales. That's for sure. And you have to sit in the branch and sell the product. Nay, there will be some situation where you have to move outside the branch and do the cold calling and do the field sales. There might be some options, right? So, guys, if you are really want to build up your career in banking industry, then you have to set your mind in such a way that if you will get an opportunity or get a time, get a moment to move outside or do the field sales, you have to ready for that. Hitashni, that is you worked as an engineer, so I'm very concerned about you, right? Because the IT people, जो लोग IT में होते हैं, the people who worked in IT, what they think like banking job is like, they have a great fantasy about the banking job. Banking job is coolest job. And the people who are working in a bank, they think IT job is cooling job. But it's totally, I would say, the myth all the people have. Right? So banking में आपको sales करना है. You have to do sales in banking. There would be pressure. There would be targets. Right? So banking industry work on STP model. STP model. What is STP? Sales, target, pressure. Banking, all banks. I'm not pointing just one particular position. No, I'm pointing towards the all banking profiles that work on sales, target, pressure model. Right? But growth, if I'm talking about, yes, if you will do sales, if you will get targets, then definitely I can bet, guys, you will get a proper growth in your career. Proper growth, right? And it's totally depend on you. I'm here to train you about how to clear the assessment. What exactly sort of pattern of assessment you will be getting in your test, right? What sort of questions? Not exactly. Sort of. Not exactly. I'm not going to here to leak the paper, right? I'm here just to make you understand about the pattern of the exams. Because test is also very important. And the people, again, I am just requesting you all, the people who have switched off their videos, I really remove you out of the session. I have removed one candidate so far. I removed everyone. ट्रस्ट मी प्लीज, आई एम नॉट योर प्रोफेसर. ये कोई आपका कॉलेज का सेशन नहीं है, ये कोई आपका स्कूल का सेशन नहीं है. भाई तुम्हारी ये जो तुम लोग मेरी बात नहीं मान रहा, ये तुम लोग का दिखाता है कि तुम लोग कितने सीरियस हो अपने करियर को लेके. अरे भाई साहब, मणिकांत को देखो, एकदम रोबोट. भाई मणिकांत, तुम्हें क्या नहीं पता था कि आज सेशन है? ये रोबोट तुम बनकर आ गए. चलो अनम्यूट करो.
No, sir. Actually, I am traveling right now, sir. That's why
I can
I'm.
understand you're traveling. That's why you wearing the helmet. I know you are traveling. But my question, however, मैंने मणिकांत तुमको देखा था, तुम काफी देर से हो. बट ये बताओ, मेरा क्वेश्चन ये है कि तुम इतने लेट से क्यों ज्वाइन किए और तुम बाहर क्यों हो? क्या तुम्हें पता नहीं था कि सेशन है, ऐसा कुछ करके?
No, sir. Actually, I'm traveling for cost 1.5. So that's why I'm 1.5 hours. That's why I can't see the message, sir, on the WhatsApp.
You didn't get any mail yesterday? regarding this session?
No, sir. No, sir. No, sir. No, sir. No, sir. No, sir.
Okay. Okay. Are you sure about that? Have you checked your mail?
Yes, sir. I have put my mail, sir.
You checked. ठीक है भाई
Yes,
आराम
sir.
से बाइक बाइक चलाओ यार. Ride your bike safely, please.
No, sir. Allow me 5 minutes, sir. I will end my home in 5 minutes, sir.
ठीक है ठीक है. Switch off your video. Once you will reach, then switch on your video.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay,
Thank you,
and
sir.
people, rest of them, like Narendra is there. We have Khaja is there. Chai bhai pee rahe the Khaja bhai sab abhi. Reshma is there. Guys, what happened with you? ठीक है, I'm not going to waste my time for repeating these things. Anyways, guys, first of all, let me just clear you the fact. I'm going to tell you about the relationship manager things, right? What you are this time. What is right here? Okay, okay. So first of all, guys, this is the role is CBGRM. This is the role CBGRM, right? CBG as in commercial banking group. Commercial. Okay, this is one of the vertical. This is the one of the vertical of the bank, right? This is the one of the vertical of the bank. Your profile would be relationship manager. You will be working as a relationship manager, right? And your grade, your designation, that would be deputy manager. Deputy manager. So guys, here you will get some 50% of your target. You will get some 100% of target. Like out of 100, 50% of your target, you will get some data from the bank. And जो data होगा, वो किसका होगा? The data what you will get, that is the details of small, medium enterprises, small, medium companies, right? You will get a data of small, medium companies. Small medium companies, the particular companies whose annual turnover between 5 cr to 200 or 250 cr. Small medium company means the company whose turnover between annual turnover between 5 cr to 200 or 250 cr. So this is sort of company you will be dealing with, right? The data what you will get, that would be the data of the decision maker of these companies, the CEOs, directors of top position management of these companies. You will have to call them. You will have to understand their situation. You have to understand. You have to provide the services and schedule meeting with them. You have to meet the customers. Who would be your customer? The top position of SME companies, SM companies. E means company, E as in enterprises. You have to meet them. You have to understand their profile. You have to understand their business. And according to that, what you have to do is pitch the product. You have to pitch the product. Right, guys? Second, very core sales role, you very rare chances that companies top position people will come to you at your branch. It won't going to happen. What you have to do, uh, you have to meet the customer at their convenient place. Might be at their office, at their business part, at their home, right? So this would going to happen, right? Now the next part is, guys, uh 50% of your target, like first thing is what would be the products. So your products would be CBG products क्या होंगे यहाँ पे? So here current account or working capital, current account or working capital product. Working capital, there will be two products. One is overdraft and other one is cash credit. Cash credit. Current account, everybody know about the current account. Current account is account which is managed and opened by the business, the companies, right? So current account is basically for the business purpose. For the companies open this current account, right? And current account does not have any rate of interest. No interest in current account. Current account, the transactions in current account is unlimited, right? Now, second one is working capital. So guys, understand working capital means uh, the particular capital, the particular money, the amount of money which is required to manage, to operate daily operation of a company, right? Working capital means the capital which is required to manage the entire operations of the company. एक वर्किंग कैपिटल मतलब एक ऐसा पैसा, वो ऐसे पैसे होते हैं जो एक कंपनी को एक कंपनी को चलाने के लिए जिस पैसे की जरूरत पड़ती है, उसी को हम वर्किंग कैपिटल कहते हैं। राइट? सो वर्किंग कैपिटल के प्रोडक्ट होते हैं ओवरड्राफ्ट एंड कैश क्रेडिट। आई एम श्योर you must have heard about a word, CC limit. So guys, CC limit is one of the product of working capital. So few of you will be working in current accounts, that would called liability, and few of you would be working in working capital, which is called assets. Right? So this would be your working, this would be your profile. Got it, guys? Got it? So you will be working as a deputy manager. Now, uh, so basically, you know what happened, guys? To reach this position, become a CBG relationship manager with the grade of deputy manager, people people take around 4 to 8 years of banking experience. People generally take 4 to 8 years of banking experience, then they become CBG RM with the deputy manager as a you know relationship manager. But here, due to this platform, due to Career 24/7, you guys are getting an opportunity to become a relationship manager in CBG segment with just 1 year or less than of experience. It's a great opportunity for you all. Great opportunity. Kashish, mute yourself, please. Clear, guys? Now, I just want to understand the people who have, Raghvendra, I just got a new face. Kindly unmute and talk to me. Like, I just want to know, do you have any idea about relationship manager? What a general relationship manager profile all about?
Yeah, first of all, hi, good evening, sir.
Hi, good evening.
I'm audible. I'm
Yeah,
audible properly.
you are. Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
thank you for confirmation, sir. Sir, basically, I'm telling about little about myself. Myself, Raghu Pratap Singh. I'm belonging from Prayagraj, currently living in Badlapur, Mumbai, and I'm working in a Utkarsh Bank as a relationship officer in a Pachkosi branch. And for 1 year, after that, I'm working in a Casper Microcredit, 6 months as a area head, is a MFI. that that's why I am currently switching my career as a core banking, and I have currently completed my investment banking course certification from a ZEL.
Okay,
That's why I'm entering in a commercial banking. Basically, that's why I'm coming here.
okay.
Thank you, sir, for giving me chance.
So, Raghvendra, uh, few things are common between you and I. Do you know me? Do you know who am I?
Yeah. You have also a previous employee of Utkar Small Finance Bank,
And what else you know about me?
and I have watching some YouTube tutorial about people who have already enrolled in this course. They're telling about your mentorship guidance, and also you have instructor on highly active on a YouTube for telling about this Career 24/7 of this program.
Right. So, Raghvendra, I'm also from Allahabad.
Okay,
And so कहाँ से हो इलाहाबाद में?
uh, Joshi.
झूसी, मैं दारागंज.
Okay,
Okay, yes. चलो
thank you,
ग्रेट
sir.
यार. So राघवेंद्र अभी बदलापुर में क्या कर रहे हो? What you are doing there?
Basically, sir, when I have completed my investment banking course from a ZEL Institute, then I have tried to get a placement opportunity, Motilal Oswal, as they have provided me equity dealer, and 4.5 LPA they have provided a CTC, and my current CTC is already a 5.
Oh.
Then I have talked to my head HR
So
department, what is the
you have not
process.
searched for any other company like as an investment banker because you have done that course, yeah? It's very important.
Yeah. But basically, I have my purpose is doing this course is basically for skill development. Fundamental for here is analysis, fundamental analysis, company deep analysis for any particular report creating. Just here you have saying that one product has been a current account and asset. The asset department, if I have giving a loan of any company, I have capability to giving a one seat of that company. I define everything. What is your future plan, current plan, growth plan, everything.
Predictive analytics and all,
Yeah,
right?
definitely, boss. Under your guidance.
Right. Wonderful, yeah, wonderful, wonderful. So it would be very beneficial for you if you will be a part of this commercial banking
Yeah,
group. Yeah, great, yeah,
yeah,
great,
definitely,
Raghavan.
sir.
But here, lots of people are there who actually who don't know what to do, what the vision they have. They don't have any vision. But I am very much sure about Raghavan, like about you. Uh, if you will spending, that would be complete training, right? Training. So after 1 year, na, after 1 year, you have to gain an
Right,
experience
sir.
around 7, 8 months, 9 months, 10 months, 1 year. Then you can easily apply for investment banking. Then and again, one more
Okay.
important part for everyone, guys. Once you will complete 18 months, after 12 months of training, I'm telling you, after 12 months of training, once you will complete of
Yeah.
18 months working with Axis Bank itself, right, then you will get an option for IJP. So this is a process for all the banks, all the companies where any particular staff or an employee, if they completed 18 months, they complete 18 months, they will be eligible for internal job postings. It means you can transfer your department from particular one part to another, or you are working in a sales, you can get into non-sales, anything. Right, so right now you have done your investment banking program, you have a knowledge, you can easily do the analytics or prediction. Then after 18 months of working as a commercial banking group relationship manager, you can switch into investment banking. Guys, investment banking is one of the greatest job, I would say, one of the high paid job. But let me clear this. If people think like investment banking is 9 to 5 job, it's totally no, it's not like that.
Totally
Nine,
sell
that's
job.
not a 9 to
Totally
5
sell
job.
job, sir.
Yes, 24/7 job. 24/7 you
High
can
talk, sir,
sit on
sir.
your laptop and work on the Excel. You never know that. राइट सो
Yes, sir.
दैट्स ये मेरा हमेशा का रहता है गाइस। मैं हमेशा आप लोगों को एक चीज बताता हूं बच्चों को कि भाई इन्वेस्टमेंट बैंकिंग बहुत अच्छी चीज होती है, आप जाओ यार इन्वेस्टमेंट बैंकिंग में। ठीक है, चलो कम टू द पार्ट। यहाँ पे हम जब सीबीजी आरएम बनते हैं, व्हेन वी बिकम सीबीजी आरएम, then what job opportunity we can get, what career growth we can have, right? So number one, so being a relationship manager, your grade would be deputy manager, so you can get a proper growth in this vertical itself, right? You right now you will be working as a deputy manager. After 1 year of experience or 2 years of experience, you can become manager. You can become manager, right? However, you will be working individually. You won't be dealing any team, you won't be leading any team, right? You will be working as a manager, but individually contribution, right? But right now, when you will join the program, sorry, when you will join the bank, the company, what you will get, their turnover between 5 cr, 6 cr, 10 cr, 12 cr, not a big companies, because you guys are the new for this industry, you guys are new for this particular vertical, right? So once you will start performing well, then you start getting a good turnovers companies, higher turnover companies like 50 cr, 20 70 cr, 100 cr, 200 cr. So along with that your turnovers, your grade will also get increased, right? So this is one of the career growth where you can get a proper growth in your same vertical, that is CBG. Now the growth number two. Growth number two, guys, if you joined as a relationship manager, doesn't matter CBG or anything else, right? If you joined as a CBG RM, then after 1 year, 2 year, 3 year of experience, you can work into, or you can get into pure corporate. Pure corporate. You can deal with corporate. Corporate means the huge companies, multinational companies, Reliance type of companies, Tata type of companies, right? So you can work as a relationship manager, corporate relationship manager. In corporate relationship manager also, there would be different segments of products. What products you are dealing, that matters a lot, because the product will decide your salary and your growth. So corporate RM, you are dealing in corporate saving accounts, corporate saving accounts. You are in corporate. Do you guys know na corporate saving accounts? Like there's a bank, Utkarsh Bank. So I'm a corporate saving account relationship manager. My work is to uh, connect with Utkarsh Bank. The whatever employees they have, I open current account, or I open saving account of those employees, right? That is a corporate saving account relationship manager do. Same corporate current account, same goes to current account. I connect with the companies and I open their current accounts, right? The huge companies. Third one is I very important, that is investment. Very important. Very important. I am working as an investment relationship manager for corporate banking. For corporate banking, what I do, I look after their investments. I manage their investments. I manage their portfolios, right? Portfolio means the particular company or an individual where they have invested their amount. In what instrument they have invested their amount. ठीक है? सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट बात, मैं इंग्लिश में क्यों बोल रहा हूं? मैं तो हिंदी में भी बोल सकता हूं। मैं इंग्लिश में क्यों समझा रहा हूं? क्योंकि यहां पे आप लोग जब इंटरव्यू देने जाएंगे, इंग्लिश मैंडेटरी है गाइस। समझो, 40, 45, 50 हजार की सैलरी आपको मिल रही है। आपको 6 महीना, 8 महीना, 1 साल की एक्सपीरियंस के साथ यू आर गेटिंग दिस सॉर्ट ऑफ सैलरी लाइक 40,000, 45,000, 50,000। सो दे नीड द पीपल हु आर क्रीम, क्रीम यार, कि कम से कम उनको बेसिक बैंकिंग अपना होमवर्क उन्होंने किया हो। दे मस्ट नो द बेसिक अबाउट द प्रोग्राम, अबाउट द रोल, अबाउट द ग्रोथ, राइट, एंड इंग्लिश। सो बिकॉज इन इंडिया इंग्लिश इज नॉट अ लैंग्वेज, इंग्लिश इज अ स्किल्स। ये बहुत मैटर करता है। दैट्स व्हाई आई एम एक्सप्लेनिंग एवरीथिंग एंड आई एम नॉट अ प्रोफेसर, आई एम नॉट अ टीचर। मैं वो टीचर नहीं हूं, आई एम अ सॉर्ट ऑफ टीचर, बट मैं वो टीचर नहीं हूं जिसमें आपके स्कूल और कॉलेज में होता था, आया, पढ़ाया, लिखा, चल दिया। नहीं यार, आई एम नॉट दैट काइंड ऑफ गाय। I'm a person, my main aim is to make you understand everyone. I really want, like, whatever I am telling you, whatever I'm explaining you, so nobody is going to tell you. आप YouTube में सर्च कर लो, यू कैन सर्च ऑन यूट्यूब, यू कैन सर्च ऑन गूगल एंड चैट जीपीटी। जो मैं बता रहा हूं वो कोई नहीं बताता कि ग्रोथ कैसे पाया जाए, एक पर्टिकुलर पोजीशन से ग्रोथ कैसे पाया जाए, कैसे कैसे स्टेप्स होते हैं, कैसे कैसे आप आगे बढ़ोगे। सो सेकेंड ऑप्शन, CBG RM, you can get into the corporate RM, you can become corporate RM, right? Third one, if you work as a relationship manager around 3 to 6 years of experience as a relationship manager, then this is third option. Then you can you will be eligible for giving an interview as a assistant branch manager, because most of the banks will take an interview for assistant branch manager. They need their experience of service and sales around 3 to 4 or 5 or 6 years of experience. So if you worked as a relationship manager around 3 to 6 years, then you can become assistant branch manager, then after this deputy branch manager, then after this branch manager. This is also one of the career growth what you can have, right? The next one, you can work as a portfolio manager, wealth manager. So great personality, great profile. These are the great profiles. Well, and apart from this, as I said, we already discussed investment banker. You can also become investment banker, but for investment banker guys, you have to learn lots of things, because that would be the part of corporate finance, राइट? लोगों को लगता है सेल से हो जाएगा, नहीं हो पाएगा। लोगों को लगता है बैंक से हो जाएगा, नहीं हो पाएगा। इफ यू थिंक कि यू वर्क इन अ बैंक फॉर 10 years, 12 years, 15 years एंड यू कैन बिकम इन्वेस्टमेंट बैंकर, आई कैन गिव यू इन रिटर्न, इट्स नॉट पॉसिबल. You have to learn lots of things. You have to like get expertise working with Excel. It's all about the prediction, what is going to happen in future. Investment banking bankers will tell you about that, right? Reading lots of data, working on lots of data. अरे imagine यार, investment banker क्या करता है? What investment banker do? One company merge with other company. One company merge with other company. Then in that case, what would be the valuation? What would be the future value of the company? Right? So these are the role of investment banker. When one company acquire another company, then the one big company get formed, what would be the valuation, what would be the future value of that company? That would be the role of investment banker. Same goes to IPO. Guys, IPO initially listed on stock markets. That is the IPO, right? So what IPO is going to happen? What would be the valuation? What would be the prediction? Everything calculated by investment banker. So it's a great profile, guys. Great profile. ऑलराइट, चलो. So this is the career path. So for this, first of all, you have to be serious. Trust me. ये अपॉर्चुनिटी जो आप लोग को मिल रही है ना बॉस, एक बात आप समझ लो, ये अपॉर्चुनिटी आपको कहीं नहीं मिलने वाली. मैं इसलिए नहीं बोल रहा कि मैं इसको इससे जुड़ा हुआ हूं, राइट. ये अपॉर्चुनिटी जो आपको मिल रही है, मैं फिर से बोल सकता हूं कि ये दुनिया की सबसे बेस्ट अपॉर्चुनिटी है उनके लिए जो बैंक में अपना करियर बनाना चाहते हैं. सो दिस इज वन ऑफ द बेस्ट अपॉर्चुनिटी इन द वर्ल्ड, दोज हु वांट टू करियर इन बैंकिंग इंडस्ट्री. एंड आपको कहीं नहीं मिलेगा. ये प्रोग्राम सिर्फ इंडिया में, सिर्फ हमारे पास ही है. Why Axis Bank has done an agreement with this for this particular program? Why this agreement has been done from Axis Bank with Career 24/7 और Under 24/7? क्योंकि हम पिछले 16 साल से इस इंडस्ट्री में हैं. दैट्स द रीजन. सिर्फ हमारे पास ये प्रोग्राम है और हमारे पास ही रहेगा, राइट. सो आपको ये समझना होगा, अभी मौका अच्छा है, अपॉर्चुनिटी अच्छा है. प्लीज, जितने भी लोग यहाँ पे सीरियस नहीं है, आप लोग अपने पैर पे कुल्हाड़ी मार रहे हो यार. अगर आप सीरियस नहीं हो तो ये अपॉर्चुनिटी दोबारा नहीं मिलेगी. आपको एग्जाम क्लियर करना पड़ेगा, पड़ेगा, इंटरव्यू. ऐसा नहीं होता. हाँ, आई डू अग्री, यू हैव टू पे मनी फॉर दिस प्रोग्राम, बट रिटर्न ऑन इन्वेस्टमेंट समझना पड़ेगा. रिटर्न ऑन इन्वेस्टमेंट. राघवेंद्र हैज डन इन्वेस्टमेंट बैंकिंग, स्पेंड lakhs of money over there. Still he is ready to join this program. Why? Because he knows the return on investment. उत्कर्ष में काम किया है. कहां पे? कैस्पर में काम किया है. दोबारा कैस्पर कहां पे काम किया है? कैस्पर में काम किया है. ये सब बना रहा उसी साइड है. पंचको उसी में थे ना तुम वहां पे. ठीक है. Alright, so यार, so you guys have to understand the return on investment. If you are investing 2,65,000 rupees over here, the what? Can you unmute me? Yeah, sure. Wait, Manikant, yeah, please, बताओ.
Uh, yes, sir. Good evening, sir.
Hi, Manikant. Good evening, यार.
Sir, basically, मैं ये जानना चाहता था सर कि right now I am doing the investment banking course also. Then this is beneficial for me or not?
अभी वही मैंने समझाया यार, obviously.
Yeah, I know, sir. I know, sir.
कहाँ से कर रहे हो इन्वेस्टमेंट बैंकिंग?
Actually, sir, job आज से sir.
क्या लगता है मिल जाएगा?
सर लाइक जैसे आपने बोला इन्वेस्टमेंट बैंकिंग इज नॉट अ सेल्स, उसमें पढ़ना पड़ता है सर लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स जो है, बहुत सारी चीजें पढ़ना
बहुत
पड़ता है
सारी
सर.
चीजें,
एक्सेल,
बहुत सारी चीजें.
एक्सेल को बेसिक एक्सेल में इट्स नॉट पॉसिबल टू, यू हैव टू लर्न टू बेसिक एक्सेल, यू हैव टू एडवांस से भी एडवांस एक्सेल पढ़ना पड़ेगा सर उसमें.
बिल्कुल,
एंड
बिल्कुल.
आफ्टर दैट वी हैव डू द assumptions आफ्टर 10 years and before 5 years we have to take the assumptions from the company, and that's why sir. Sir, that's why I'm searching on the net, sir, ki which type of job is now for best for me. Then I have got CBRM, sir.
CBGRM. ठीक है. So
CBGRM.
Manikant,
Yes,
it
sir.
would be a actually add-on value for you.
Yes,
Add-on
sir.
value for you. If someone, for example, a person, the person is A, right?
Right.
And you are Manikant. So A is just a general graduate or postgraduate, right? And
Graduate, sir.
you did investment banking. He
Yes, sir.
also from the Career 24/7, you also from the same. He did a CBG program, you also did the same. But somehow you can do better, much better than this A person. Much better. Raghavendra can do much better than this A person because you guys know about the investment banking and how to read a business, how to read a business valuation. You guys know better. Say there would be chances for getting exposure. There would be
Yes,
chances
sir.
of getting promotion, increment would be very, very higher in your cases.
Okay, sir.
Right? So again,
Right.
as I said, banking experience, 18 months of experience, if you will have in the same bank, you can easily get IJP, and Axis Bank is actually very, very rigorous for this process.
Okay, sir.
I have been there in Mumbai head office for head office of Axis Bank. Like when we started this entire CBG or PBRM program, so my
Okay.
and lots of people with me, like senior faculties of my team, we all have been there for a training, right? And we met number of people, guys, who actually started their career. They were fresher. They started their career with Axis Bank and they spent 20 years, 18 years, 16 years being in the Axis Bank itself. As an officer, they started as an executive. Right now, they are working as an AVP, senior AVP, or VP, sort of VP type of positions.
Okay, sir.
एक्सिस बैंक है उस तरह जहां पे आप लंबा टाइम रुक सकते हो ग्रोथ के साथ. ऐसा नहीं कि सिर्फ रुके हुए हो, ग्रोथ भी होगा, इंक्रीमेंट्स भी होंगे, प्रमोशंस भी होगा, बट अगेन इट्स ऑल अबाउट योर स्किल्स, इट्स ऑल अबाउट योर प्रेजेंटेशन, इट्स ऑल अबाउट योर परफॉर्मेंस। शक्ल देके कोई नहीं आपको नौकरी देगा यार। Really want कि people, you have to be serious, you have to be serious, this is best opportunity you are getting, right? So आपको यहां पे कर देना है यार, कुछ बढ़िया करना है, बढ़िया करना है, right? So Manikant, got it?
Yes, I got it, sir.
Okay.
Beyond these things, sir, can I ask one question, sir?
Yes, yes.
Sir, basically, someone says that in banking you have to be the clean shave in your from your beard to most. Then there is
Okay,
that's the,
so understand, it's not about the banking. Yeah, what you're going to do, you are going to present yourself, you're going to present your company,
yes, sir.
you're going to meet the customer. And
Yes, sir.
customer is a god, customer is a king, customer will purchase our product, then only our company will get a business, our company will get revenue. So for that, to build a relationship, to build a rapport, these are very important part, which is a part of grooming,
Yes,
right?
sir.
So
Yes, sir.
for the training, what you will be getting, for the training in Pune, what you will be getting, you have to clean shave yourself, or you have to clean your shaving beard and all.
Or do some setting like in very thin beard and very thin mustache. Then it should be okay, sir.
It should be okay. Like it depend on the particular trainer, whatever trainer you are getting, whatever trainer instructions would be there. So according
Okay,
to that, you have to follow the
manage.
instructions.
Yeah.
You have to manage, right?
Okay,
ठीक है?
sir. Thank you, sir. Yeah.
Alright. लेकिन ये फर्स्ट टाइम किसी ने ऐसा क्वेश्चन पूछा, ऐसा क्वेश्चन कौन पूछता है यार? बैंक में जा रहे हो?
No, sir. Personality, like you are saying, कि personality is all the things, sir. That's why I'm asking. I can't change. If
Look,
there
see,
is necessary, then
there are lots of people who look good after clean shave.
yes,
With
sir.
clean shave, lots of
But
people.
in my case, sir, it's opposite, sir. That's why I'm asking you.
Few months back, there was some requirement from Axis Bank. We had to shoot some videos. So for that, they chosen my face, and I have to
Because you are looking
shave.
so good, sir.
I I was looking very weird, yeah, very weird. I
No,
was
sir.
looking very weird without my beard. राइट सो इट वाज वेरी लाइक, मुझे तो बहुत मेरे घर वाले बोलने लगे, भाई मेरी वाइफ बोलने लगी तलाक दे देंगे यार अगर ये आज के बाद करा तो। ऐसा सिचुएशन हो गया था यार। तो वो चीज, तो तब से मैंने बोल दिया बॉस अब तो मैं ये क्लीन शेव कभी नहीं करने वाला। मैंने 2 बार क्लीन शेव करा था एक्सिस बैंक की शूटिंग के लिए, कुछ वीडियो शूट करनी थी इंटरनल प्रोग्राम के लिए, वो करा था। ठीक है, एनीवेज, सो ये इंपॉर्टेंट है यार, दैट्स अ पार्ट ऑफ ग्रूमिंग। ठीक है,
Yes, sir.
चलो अब गाइस यहाँ पे ना हम बात कर लेते हैं। वी आर जस्ट गोइंग टू टेल यू, आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू अबाउट द टेस्ट, राइट? सो टेस्ट क्लियर करना होगा इंग्लिश में। आपका टेस्ट क्लियर, वंस यू विल क्लियर द टेस्ट, देन यू विल हैव योर फर्स्ट राउंड ऑफ इंटरव्यू विद आर of Career 24/7. They will conduct your interviews, and once you will clear the interview, then final interview with Axis Bank. हाँ, I was telling you, guys, ऐसा नहीं होता कि you have paid us or you are going to pay us 2,65,000, so you will clear the interview or test. It would be just a formality. Not at all. It's not a formality. It's not a formality. Let me tell you the selection ratio. 60 to 65% is the selection ratio overall in CBGRM. 100 people have applied for this program, and 100 people have. Okay, it's a ratio. So right now you have to focus on clearing the test and the interview. So clearing the test, let me tell you. So first of all, guys, you will get three section. It would be the proctored test. Proctored. What do you mean by that? Proctored. So proctored means this test will not be active on your phone, on your tablet. You have to give your test on your laptop only with your camera on. You will get an option to switch on your camera, right? Desktop, if you have a desktop, then web camera must be there. Web camera is mandatory. If you don't have a desktop option, if you don't have a laptop, then in that case what you will do, you will have to refer to your cyber cafes. You will have to go to cyber cafe, right, and take a test. So proctor test, let me just first explain me about this. So guys, proctor test means one test which would be evaluated by the computer itself. The software will evaluate you. Software will give you the number, right? So what they will do, what computer will do, you have to do like this. If you will do like this, you will get an error. You won't have to look like this, movements. You are just stretching your body like this. No, it's not allowed at all, right? First of all, you have to choose the place, the background wall. Background would be wall like all the people you have, like Raghavendra, like Kashish, and Manikant. So you all have the good background, okay background. So that would work. So it's not like that you're sitting somewhere in front of camera, in front of laptop, and people were some other people were just surrounding you here and there, moving here and there. It won't happen, right? It won't going to happen. Then in that case, your test will automatically get submitted. All right. Apart from this, uh, very important. You won't have to switch the tabs, switch the windows, switch the pages. You are just doing cheating from Chat GPT or Google at your own laptop itself where you're taking test. No, it would get rejected. Got it? Got it? So that's a proctor. You have to just look at the screen properly. So if someone will ask, sir, if look at the screen, then if I'll get some question of maths and reasoning, how will I do that? Yes, you have to solve the question and copy, but don't do like this. You will get rejected. You have to do like this. You have to do this. You can easily down your face, but not like this. A slight down, right? Like this. You can do that. Because if you will get error three times in one test, if you will get an error three times, you will get rejected automatically. That's a proctor test, right? Now, section about the part three section. Number one, English. They would check your English, check your pronunciation, check your uh, speech, check your mind or thought process, right? Second, reasoning and maths. Reasoning and maths aptitude, your basic aptitude, your calculation, like that. Hai na? Third one, again, the part of English only, but it would say separately. That is your essay writing. Essay writing. Got it? So, Axis Bank has given some name of these different section. English, they have given the name Speech X. Speech X. Reasoning, maths, they give the name cognitive. Cognitive. And the essay, writing ability. Written or written ability, like that, something like that. Written ability. Okay. And how much score you will have to get in this to clear the test? 50% each. 50% each. How much you have to score? 50% each in each section. Yes, there would be the sectional cutoff. 50% in speech X, 50% in cognitive, and 50% in essay. Clear, guys? Chalo. Now I'm going to tell you about the speech X. So speech X, the first question would be read and repeat. What is read and repeat? What is read and repeat? So in read and repeat, you will get some 8 to 10 questions. In read and repeat, you will get some 8 to 10 questions. The statements, you will get some statements, right? You will get some statements. You have to read those statements. You have to read those statements, right? You will get some statements. You have to read those statements. Got it? Read. So again, as I said, those guys, uh, no human is going to evaluate you. Computer will evaluate you. Then what will happen? You have to that statement, whatever you are reading, means the speed आपकी जो स्पीड होगी वो काफी ज्यादा, मतलब काफी थोड़ा सा स्लो होना चाहिए, लेकिन आपकी जो वॉल्यूम है, जो जो आपकी वॉइस है, जो साउंड है, वो तेज होना चाहिए, क्योंकि वहां पे कंप्यूटर को समझ में आना चाहिए व्हाट यू आर स्पीकिंग। क्लियर? या राघविन, टेल मी।
Sir, I say that the computer has checking our fluency or a vocabulary. If sometime we have pronounced it, some vocabulary has been mis.
Computer will check your not vocabulary. Computer will check your fluency, your pronunciation, your active listening, and your articulation. I mean your thought process. So
Okay,
these are the
okay. Thank
parameters
you, sir.
what computer will evaluate you in speech X wala part.
Okay, okay. Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Thank you.
So in read and repeat, you will get around 10 sentences. You have to read those sentences properly. स्पीड कम होना चाहिए लेकिन वॉल्यूम ज्यादा होना चाहिए, ठीक है? ये स्कोरिंग होता है। नाउ सेकंड पार्ट इन स्पीच एक्स वुड बी लिसन एंड रिपीट। सो दिस वुड बी अ बिट नॉट सो टफ, बट हाँ, it would be very important. Now listen and repeat, you will get audio, you will get an audio. Yeah, Kashish, बताओ, बोलो।
Sir, my question was actually because 1 second. Johan, sir. My question was, sir, basically, if we are giving test on laptop or on desktop, so sometimes the microphone of the desktop or laptop doesn't work properly, like it doesn't
नहीं,
catches
that
a.
there would be na, before taking your test, before test gets started, you will, like, system will give you one option to check your mic, ठीक है? सो
Okay,
एक
sir.
एक एक प्रॉपर डायलॉग बॉक्स आएगा जो आपका माइक चेक करेगा। सो वहां पे लिख के आ जाएगा योर माइक इज वर्किंग प्रॉपर्ली, योर वीडियो कैमरा इज वर्किंग प्रॉपर्ली। नहीं
Sure, sir.
होगा, इट विल गेट रिजेक्टेड, देन फिर से टेस्ट स्टार्ट करना पड़ेगा विद
Okay.
अदर माइक।
So basically, my question was basically the laptop in that the sound doesn't come very much louder or
यू कैन
in
यूज
that
योर हेडफोन्स
we can
ईयरफोन्स। हाँ हाँ हाँ,
we can use it, sir. All
यस
right, sir.
यस
That's
यस
all.
यस। लेकिन देखो, बहुत बार ना, जब हम एयरपोर्ट जब हम यूज करते हैं, बहुत बार इसमें आवाज नहीं आती है। कुछ
हाँ
ऐसे
जी
एयरपोर्ट
सर।
होते हैं ना, जो, मतलब मैं वो नहीं बोल रहा, प्राइस की बात नहीं कर रहा, कुछ ऐसे होता है जो थोड़ा सा क्वालिटी कम होती है, उसमें ना आवाज इकोइंग होती है।
हाँ
तो
जी सर।
आपको बहुत प्रॉपर ऐसा यूज करना है कि आपको भी आवाज आए और बाहर भी क्लियर आवाज आए, मतलब अगले को भी सुनाई दे, अगला मतलब कंप्यूटर और सॉफ्टवेयर को भी सुनाई दे।
श्योर
नहीं तो
सर।
वहां पे फिर आपका ये जो लिसन एंड रिपीट, आप सुन
यस
तो रहे
सर।
हो लेकिन आप बोल रहे हो लेकिन अगला नहीं सुन पा रहा। रीड एंड रिपीट, आप रीड कर रहे हो लेकिन अगला नहीं सुन पा रहा आपको ढंग से, तो वहां पे मार्क्स कटेंगे। तो आपको ये चेक करना पड़ेगा कि आपको अगले को सुनाई दे रहा है कि नहीं प्रॉपर।
श्योर सर।
यस।
ऑलराइट सर, थैंक यू।
Alright, listen and repeat, guys. There will be audio. You will get an audio, and 8 to 10 audios would be there, right? So audio clips, basically the sentence of 10 words, 12 words, 8 words of sentence you will get. The audio will be there, audible voice would be there. You have to listen it, you have to repeat as it is. You won't have to articulate the meaning. You won't have to repeat the meaning of that sentence. You have to repeat as it is, whatever you have heard. Got it? जो सुना वही बोलना, जो मतलब है वो नहीं बोलना, जो सुना है वही बोलना है। लिसन एंड रिपीट, लिसनिंग पावर, लिसनिंग स्किल्स, राइट? चलो, थर्ड, सी, थर्ड पार्ट विल बी फ्री स्पीच। So free speech means, guys, a sort of extempore. Extempore as in random topic you will get on spot. You will get 10 seconds to think, and then around, I think, 1 minute to speak on that topic, or 2 minutes to speak on that topic. Right? So free speech, 4 topics would be there. You have to speak on 4 random topics. And again, topic would not be related to any geopolitics or any bank or something like that. No. Topics would be related to your life. For example, what did you do last weekend? Yeah, how did you spend your last weekend? How did you spend your yesterday? What is your daily routine? Like this only. And explain the situation where you got inspired by something or someone. This is a very common question which actually asked in number of uh, tests earlier. ठीक है, दिस इज अ कॉमन क्वेश्चन, आई एम जस्ट टेलिंग यू. लीक कर दिया पेपर मैंने, आई एम लीकिंग द पेपर. सो ये द टॉपिक वाज, जो कॉमन था, पहला हाउ डिड यू स्पेंड योर लास्ट वीकेंड, ये कॉमन था. और वेरी कॉमन वाज कि आपका एक्सप्लेन द सिचुएशन where you got inspired with someone or something. So this topic was very common. So this sort of topic you will get in your test, right? Free speech, 4 topics, 10 seconds to think, and 1 or 2 minutes to speak, right? Chalo, free speech. After free speech, there would be grammar. 34 questions related to grammar. So question would be fill in the blanks, fill in the blanks, right? Error detection, error detection, error detection, detection. Fill in the blanks, error detection. ठीक है? And grammar would be related to verbs, tenses, articles. ठीक है? Question would be like that. So, for example, I'm just telling you the question. I'm just giving you one example. Uh, चलो, answer it, guys, on chat box. राघवी, इस तरह के क्वेश्चंस आते हैं. चलो, कम ऑन, चैट बॉक्स पे आंसर दो. एवरीवन, आंसर ऑन चैट बॉक्स. अरे फास्ट यार, इतना टाइम थोड़ी देते हैं. कम ऑन गाइस, इतना टाइम नहीं होता है. हर एक सेक्शन में आपको टाइम दिया जाएगा, हर एक सेक्शन में टाइम होगा. ऑल द पार्ट विल इंक्लूड योर टाइम बाउंडेशंस. 5 मिनट, 2 मिनट, 10 मिनट्स, 5 मिनट, इट्स लाइक दैट. ठीक है? एवरीवन, दोज हु आर नॉट एक्टिव. मणिकांत, व्हाट इज डी? डी क्या होता है भाई? डी का मतलब तो समझाओ, पूरा लिखो. डी, डू, डज, क्या बोलना चाह रहे हो तुम? राघवेंद्र, चेंज क्यों कर दिए? दूसरे को देख के चेंज क्यों कर रहे हो? पहले तो तुम यार इज लिखे थे, अब चेंज क्यों कर दिया तुमने?
Because sir, I have last word you have speak Spanish as a sponge hai. I have not complete the sentence. He is not eligible to speak a sentence. How I have interrogative sentence is there? How I not watching their house, sir. I have only Raghavendra is not know how to speak Spanish.
ठीक
That's
है.
my error, sir.
Alright, guys. So राघवेंद्र डज नॉट, यहां पे डज आएगा क्योंकि नाम, नेम, इट, इट और नाम होता है. इनके साथ जब भी कोई वर्ब आता है तो उसमें एस या ईएस लगता है. लेकिन अगर अगर ये कोई वर्ब नहीं है, कोई ऑक्सिलरी आ रही है, तो उसमें भी एस या ईएस लगेगा. राइट? सो डज इज अ ऑक्सिलरी, इज अ हेल्पिंग वर्ब. तो यहां पे डू नहीं आएगा, यहां पे डज आएगा, एस या ईएस. राइट? सो इस तरह के क्वेश्चंस आते हैं आपके एग्जाम टेस्ट में. एक और लिखते हैं. ठीक है, ये आया, ऐसे क्वेश्चन आएगा, लेकिन यहां पे वर्ब आ जाएगा, वर्ब आ जाएगा, ऐसे करके आएगा. बताओ, कम ऑन, फर्स्ट. रवि डैश कार वेरी फास्ट, ब्रैकेट में टू ड्राइव लिखा है. क्या आएगा यहां पे? अभी बताया ना यार कि नाम के साथ जो भी वर्ब आ रहा है उसमें एस या ईएस लगेगा। तो रवि ड्राइव्स फास्ट। ठीक है, तो ऐसे क्वेश्चंस गाइस यू विल गेट दिस टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चंस। ऑलराइट, ग्रामर हो गया। ग्रामर के बाद आता है आपका नेक्स्ट जो आएगा ग्रामर के बाद, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, listening comprehension. So listening comprehension means, I'm sure you heard about reading comprehension. So in reading comprehension, you get a passage, a story, and the questions would be related to those passage itself, right? You have to answer those passages, those questions, right? So in this, you will get a listening comprehension. You will get a audio. You will get a audio clip, right? So audio would be the story. You will heard some story, right? So story would be basic story, easy story, and again after story, once story will get ended, you will get some questions related to those, right? So story would be very easy. Like for example, I'm just telling you the story. uh, there was a town, Sydney. The boy name was Sam. He was born in 2001. He has completed his graduation in last year with maths as a subject. However, his favorite subject was science. And his friend, whose name is Kevin, one day Sam sat, one day Sam was sad. Then he called Kevin and they planned to watch movie. Now the question is, what was the name of a boy? Chat box पे आंसर दो जल्दी से. What was the name of a boy? So guys, you will get exactly, you will get this sort of story, this easy story, है ना? ऐसी स्टोरी आएगी आप लोग को, जो क्योंकि सुनना है ना, सुनना. When the boy, when did the boy completed his graduation? When did the boy completed his graduation? Very nice, 2001. ठीक है? Okay. What was the name of the boy's best friend? Kevin. Very good. तो ऐसे क्वेश्चंस ही आएंगे, राइट? एंड ऐसे क्वेश्चंस को आंसर करने के लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा, ट्रिक क्या है? अगर आप अच्छा सुनते हो, इंग्लिश आती है, दैट्स फाइन. इफ यू हैव सम प्रॉब्लम इन दिस, देन यू हैव टू राइट द पॉइंटर्स. You have to write the pointers. Pointers means keywords. You have to write some keywords. Keywords means any name. Name of a person, name of a place, name of a subject, name of a vegetable, name of a food, name of a animal, any name. Whatever name you are listening, you have to write. Number two, year, Sunday, Monday, January, February, whatever you are listening, just write it. Right? The situation, like sad or happy moment, write it. So you have to write the keywords, and answer would be in these keyword itself. Got it? So ये हो गया आपका listening वाला part. Now आपका cognitive होता है. Cognitive का मतलब क्या होता है? Maths and reasoning, right? So for maths and reasoning, maths, you will have to prepare 4 chapters. Maths, you will have to prepare 4 chapters. What are the? Compound interest, simple interest, profit and loss, compound interest, simple interest, percentage, average. ठीक है? These 4 chapters you have to prepare. क्या किया है? What I did, I actually prepared one 30 questions, which is a relevant question for this exam, this test, right? Which actually asked in earlier test paper. So what you have to do, you have to go through those questions. 30 questions, I will share it with you, right? 30 questions, which would be for practice, which would be for learning, and apart from that, 100 questions, which would be for practice. right? For maths, for reasoning. So reasoning, in reasoning, again 4 topics: coding, decoding, coding, decoding. Then series. Then, yeah, correct. Blood relation and comparison. Blood relation and comparison. So you will get a question related to these topics. Question would not so easy. Question would not so difficult. It would be moderate, right? It would be moderate. So what you have to do team today, guys, everyone, what I'll do now, your counselors will share 3 PDF with you all. Your counselors will share 3 PDF with you all. One PDF is for learning, 2 PDF is for doing practice. Correct? Practice, and 30 question is for the learning. So I really request you, do it properly, and then only start doing yeah, part. Clear, everyone? And the last topic, last section, that is essay. So guys, essay, you will get a topic, anything you will get, right? Here you have to write, you have to type by keyboard, right? So essay topic, 250 words. I guess you will get some right 250 words. है ना? So topic, what earlier they asked, AI, online education, digital marketing, or unemployment. So these are the topic which is actually very demanding, and like tricks. You have to use some chat GPT, guide, AI, tool, lots of option you have. You are surrounded with these, कहते हैं ना उसको क्या बोलते हैं उसको, वरदान, ठीक है? तो you can use those वरदान, ठीक है? सो गाइज, ये आपके टॉपिक्स हैं जो पहले आए हैं. इसका ये मतलब इट डजंट मीन लाइक यू मग अप दीज टॉपिक्स, ठीक है? फिर बाद में बोलो सर आपने तो चीटिंग कर दिया, यू सेड कि ये टॉपिक्स आएंगे और आया कुछ और, तो ये मत बोलना है. दीज आर जस्ट ब्लेसिंग्स. हाँ, करेक्ट, ब्लेसिंग्स. तो दीज आर जस्ट एन एग्जाम्पल, जस्ट राइट. सो आई एम जस्ट टेलिंग यू कि ऐसे जियो पॉलिटिक्स और ऐसा एकदम एक्चुअल जो कोर बैंकिंग या कोई डिटेल टॉपिक्स नहीं आता. दीज आर द बेसिक एंड बेसिक टॉपिक्स, easy topics. Clear, everyone? Anything want to ask? I'll share 3 PDF or 2 PDF with you all for doing practice and doing and learning, for the learning part, right? Anything, guys, want to discuss? What to say? No? No? Yep, Kashish. Yeah,
Um,
tell me, Kashish.
Sir, what were those things basically in the speech X? Basically, what were the topics you told? The extempore, basically the extempore type for the 10 seconds. Can you please like repeat them again?
I'm
The
not
topic.
leaking the paper. I'm not leaking the paper.
No, no, sir. Just for practicing.
Just an idea. Just an idea. Take it. Just for an idea. Uh, how did you spend your last weekend? Okay. And explain the situation where you got inspired by something or someone, right? And your daily routine, what did you do yesterday, what you will be doing tomorrow, and something like that, like situational based. If you will get some money, what you will do with those money? If you will get lots of money, what will you do with those money? Okay, that's that. That's it, Kashish. Yeah, take it, Raghvendra. Yeah.
Sir, first question is that in a chat box, please provide your LinkedIn profile to we are easily to connect with you.
With me.
And yeah,
Yeah, I'm very
And
famous. You can search me on Google. I'm very famous. You can search me on Google by Ankur
uh,
Sir BFSI. You will
I,
get my all information.
I am sending a LinkedIn message, sir. Please connect us.
Acha.
And second thing is that I want one thing is that sometime if you explaining something with an example, just like they have asking in an interview, many time I have seen that my experience they tell me when we have explaining anything, we have adding an example with that. Just like you have saying that Sana, ki you have a what you inspire from. If we have a reference giving any book, it is relevant for us or not. You have
I
inspired
didn't get your
from this
question.
book.
I didn't get your question. So interview prospect or the assessment prospect?
Interview prospect basically. When we have
Can you please
explained
repeat
any
it?
particular thing, I say that when we have a giving any particular thing, explaining anything in an interviewer, they have asking any question. Tell me about yourself. This is a simple question, and what you have inspired from most of things. We have reference. Kind of giving us some reference of some books. We have inspired by some book. We have inspired by some people or
If you are
activity.
got it. Got your question. If you are guys in this sort of question where interviewer will ask, like explain the situation which shows that you are having a leadership quality, something like that. If you will get this sort of question, this type of question, that's in this case, if you are referring something like books or some situation, then you must be have a good knowledge about that, right? If you're referring any book, then you should know who is the writer, when what does a book all about, right? So these are basic things you must know, then only you can refer. So reference, giving reference is a good part, yeah. Writing your entire sentences in perfect way, right? The referencing is very good, very good idea actually. ठीक है? Anyone else? I'm connected with you sir on LinkedIn, मणिकांत. Okay, ठीक है, बहुत सारे ऐसे मुझे याद नहीं है, ठीक है? तो गाइज अगर आपको इफ यू वांट टू सर्च मी ऑन गूगल इटसेल्फ, अंकुर सर डीएफएसआई, गूगल पे मिल जाऊंगा मैं, राइट? लिंक्डइन पे सर्च करना है तो अंकुर गोस्वामी डाल दो, डीएफएसआई डाल दो, टॉप पे दिखेगा मेरा, ठीक है? टॉप पे मेरी प्रोफाइल दिखेगी, अंकुर गोस्वामी BFSI, करियर 24/7 डाल दो, अड्डा डाल दो, कुछ भी डाल दो यार, सब मिल जाए, सब में मिल जाएगा मेरा, कीवर्ड्स बहुत सर्च हुआ है ना, इसलिए मिल जाऊंगा ऐसे में, ठीक है? चलो, ऑल राइट गाइस, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर दिस। ठीक है, कोई अच्छा सेशन तो नहीं बोलूंगा, काफी लेट लतीफ लोग बैठे हुए हैं यहाँ पे, सुधर जाओ बदमाशों, सुधर जाओ, ऐसे आगे चलोगे तो कुछ नहीं हो पाएगा, राइट? तो अच्छा प्लेटफॉर्म मिला है, अच्छी अपॉर्चुनिटी मिली है, इसका हिस्सा बनो और इसकी फायदा उठाओ, राइट? एंड इफ यू गाइज वांट टू कनेक्ट विद मी फॉर एनी पर्टिकुलर गाइडेंस, एनीथिंग, either it's a interview or it would be a like assessment preparation, I would be there for you, don't worry. अपने अपने काउंसलर से बोल दीजिएगा, जस्ट आस्क योर काउंसलर टू कंडक्ट वन सेशन विद मी, वन ऑन वन करना है, जो भी करना है आप अपने काउंसलर को बोलिए, काउंसलर डेफिनेटली आपसे मेरा एक सेशन करा देंगे, ठीक है? चलो, ऑलराइट गाइस, थैंक यू सो मच एंड ऑल द बेस्ट, ऑल द बेस्ट। प्लीज मैं चाहता हूं कि एवरीवन क्रैक दिस अपॉर्चुनिटी, ठीक है? चलो, टेक केयर, बाय बाय।